With Azure, we have more Azure cloud data centers than our two top competitors combined. And what that means is that distance from your users to where the Windows workstation is running is shorter. And then that co-location of the VDI instances in Azure where Office 365 is co-located mean that proximity to the user and to the data is the smallest possible. And that's key to delivering that great experience. And so that's one of the key things I think differentiates this offer on top of Azure.
So let's take a quick look at what that's going to look like, because we've really focused on making it as simple and turnkey as possible. So here, an IT administrator on Citrix Cloud gets to basically create a catalog and assign some users to it, pick their Azure region that they want. You can see that some of these folks here have just a regular email address. We pick a Windows 10 image, we add the applications to it, and send an invite out to each of those individual users. And in a matter of hours, from that one experience, they've actually built a set of desktops that go to all of those users.
You think about what Citrix has been doing for 20 years. I was thinking about this as I was flying down yesterday. Concept of server farms, auto provisioning, load balancing. These are just things that are just core to the cloud, but you were innovating on this decades ago. And so it's fantastic to see all that knowledge and experience coming into Azure.
And we're also building this turnkey service for partners, so that partners can actually pick up this and deliver it to their customers also. We know that that's going to be really important. It's not the only use case. In fact, we've thought about contingent workers, merger and acquisitions. There are probably some workloads that are entirely suited to this particular turnkey solution. And so we expect in enterprises to see a mixture of traditional apps and desktops along with the Citrix managed desktop solution.
The reality is most organizations are using a combination of distributed computing, centralized computing, and with Microsoft 365 in that modern workplace, customers can choose how they want to deliver it out to their users, and most organizations are going to use a combination. It's where we work together.